Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking with attorney Carol Thomas. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We're so happy that you're here.
Thank you. It's wonderful to be back, Colette.
Now, we are talking about things that you don't think about until it's too late, but attorney Thomas wants you to think about it before it's too late. We're talking about elder law and a great opportunity for the community that's coming up. So tell us about your seminars, attorney Thomas.
Well, thank you, Colette. Yes, I have my next Saginaw seminars are coming up next Wednesday, November 11th, and they're at the Horizons Conference Center in Saginaw Township on State Street. And I have sessions at 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. And they definitely will fill the capacity because my seminars have for over 20 years, and we're certainly limited with the attendance and their social distancing. But I love doing my Saginaw seminars. They're always just a lot of fun to do, and people are very happy when they come and attend them.
So what are the main topics that you'll be talking about at your seminars?
Well, I talk about wills and trusts. I talk about how to get your assets protected. I talk about that if you ever need nursing home care, how we're able to get things protected.
Okay, so after your seminars, what's some of the feedback that you're getting from those who are attending your seminars?
Well, that's my favorite part, Colette. I talk to the people as they're leaving, and I often hear very similar comments. I had no idea that you could protect assets like this if we were in a nursing home, and I hear, well, my neighbor's wife was in a nursing home and he was spending over $100,000 a year. You mean he didn't have to do that? And I said, you're right, he didn't have to. So people are often just very, very happy that they've attended my seminars, and I think that's why they always do fill the capacity, because the next time they send their friends and neighbors, or they bring their parents, because people are just so happy to get this information.
Now, if someone's contemplating coming to your seminars, why is it so important to get legal advice from someone who specializes in elder law?
Well, it is a very, very specialized area of the law. There are only 18 certified elder law attorneys in the state of Michigan, so it is a very specialized area. General lawyers probably know a lot more than I do about most topics of the law, but when you're talking about setting up trusts, you're talking about protecting your life savings, it's so important to see an elder law attorney that this is all that I do. This is all that I've done for 22 years. I've helped really, literally hundreds and hundreds of people get everything protected, and so that's why it's extremely important to go to an elder law attorney, and that's all that we do here.
What else would you like to tell someone who's thinking about attending your seminar? Anything else that we haven't covered?
Well, it's just that there are a lot of mistakes that people make if they haven't attended one of our seminars, and so those are things that I talk about at the seminar because it's so important to not make these mistakes. Can you imagine going into a nursing home and having to pay $10,000 a month for your spouse because of one little mistake you've made? And probably one of the major mistakes I see is it's so common if one parent has died that the other parent adds children's names on the deed. I would say that's the #1 mistake that I see, and I love talking at my seminars about all the mistakes that people do, and as fun as I look at the expressions in the audience, people go, oh no, and you can see they're talking to the person next to them. That's what I did. I didn't know I shouldn't. So I do enjoy teaching. I'm a former teacher, Colette, so I think that part of me is coming out, I think, in the seminars.
Yes, that's perfect. Well, thank you so much again for coming in and talking with us about that. We appreciate it, and we always appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much, elder law attorney Carol Thomas. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And thank you again at home. If you want any more information, head on over to the hot link section at WNEM.com.